Hey guys, this is Brian. Wanted to talk today a little bit about weather sites. I know as anglers we're always watching the weather and trying to figure out what's going to happen, whether that's on tournament day, whether it's on the weekend that we get to go fishing, the day we're going to take off, whatever. In this case, obviously there's tons of different sites available either on your iPhone, on the internet, and so forth. But I've got one that I use probably more than all the others that I thought I would share with you. Not sure if it's really that common. Site called Pivotal Weather. It's actually a modeling software program that is used by a lot of different agencies and weather forecasters and so forth. The different models and stuff that are available. Was going to pull that up on the computer, kind of run you through a couple common applications for it. You'll be able to kind of see the benefit, I think. It actually kind of walks you through step by step in various timelines what's going on with the weather and where it's coming from and so forth, as opposed to just a forecast for a particular day. So we'll go ahead and switch over to the computer here, and I'll give you a quick tutorial showing you around the site a little bit, and then you can go out and play with it your own. But hopefully it'll benefit you and you'll get some use out of it. All right, let's get started here. If you go to pivotalweather.com or just search for Pivotal Weather in Google, you'll pull up the main site, which is what we have up now. You'll see there's a map of the country right now. What you want to do is go to Models. The main model that pulls up is the GFS model. This is what I use pretty much to look at just about anything going on over the next 2 weeks. The main screen here is set up for your high and low pressure systems along with wind barbs, but you've got other options. For instance, the 2-meter AGL, which is the above ground level temperature, shows current air temperatures. You can also select whatever you want. If you just want the wind barbs, that will pull up the wind barbs, and you can see what the wind is predicted to be on any given day. There's also weather options, which we can get into here, related to moisture, storms, snow, that kind of a thing. I like to usually run just the temperature, and if you'll go up in this top right corner, hit forecast hour loop, it will now go out to 384 hours, and you can scroll through on a timeline. So if we get this down here, if you kind of watch Indiana down here in the right, you can use the arrow keys to go forward and backwards. As you click through this, you'll see this is the time area in the top left of the map. So we're now Wednesday at midnight, and these are GMT times. So for Indiana, you would have to back off 5 hours from based on a 24-hour clock. But you can see as we scroll through, that's the temperatures on Wednesday, really cold. Thursday, Friday, gets into Saturday. Sunday, still brutally cold. Monday, Tuesday. This is next Wednesday, so over a week out, and you can see we're still down single digits in a lot of cases. If you want to check the rain, you can pick 3, 6, 12, or 24-hour, even 48-hour accumulations. Usually I'll use 3 or 6 hour just to kind of see. So if we click on that, the rain forecast right now goes out to 240 hours. So it's back at the start here, valid for today. So it's still in that loop mode. You can click through and see, looks like a little bit of sprinkles coming through there. Storm system goes through to our north. Another one kicks in just to the southwest on Saturday. Most of them look like they're just missing us. There's one that's going to catch us probably sometime Sunday afternoon, according to this, into Monday. But the worst of it will be south of us. You can kind of scroll through and see what you want to do there. If you click Models, if you want something more accurate, click GFS. Here's a whole bunch of different high-resolution models that you can pick, different ensembles. So like the NAM, which is a regional one, you'll see these are actually only go out several days, but they tend to be much more accurate. Some of them will even go down to 1-hour increments. So definitely check out the site. Super helpful. My favorite weather site as far as looking at what's going to happen.